How we doing? Back for another pattern detail. We're still sticking to Dosan. This one's going to be really quick because it's just isolating the footwork. Same as how we did at the halfway point of Tangun, because that's how we teach patterns. Okay? We have green tags learning half the pattern and then green belts complete and do it in their own time. Okay? We just stagger our gradings a bit. Okay? So, we have gone 1, 2, 3, 4. We've done the beginning, we've done a knife block, we've done the big spin and the handwork that was in the last video, which hopefully you went and watched because it's important, and then you've got that one more back fist on the end. I will end up right foot, right hand, left foot at the back, in my front stance. Okay? The bit that we need to isolate is this. This turn is the same as the one that's at the middle of Tangun. Okay? In Tangun, we ended on a punch, we did the drop, and we did the spin. Okay? For Dosan, we are in the back fist. We then just turn this hand over, my other one comes to meet it, the same as the beginning, blocking hand is on the inside, and then we rotate into our front stance, block, punch. And then we'll go left foot moves as normal, into the second one. Okay? And that's the other little detail I might as well say in this video, it only takes a second. The combination you do at the beginning of Dosan, left punch, left foot moves, right punch, is the same as the one halfway. I just turn into it differently. Okay, so I get my fold ready, left on the inside, and I go left foot, block, punch, left foot moves, right hand, block, punch. Okay, the combination here is the same as the combination here. Okay, it's exactly the same. You've just turned around so you're facing the other way. But it still goes left, block, punch, right, block, punch. Okay? Turn in the middle, get that back fist, get your fold ready. 1, 2. Then your left foot moves. 1, 2. Easy peasy. Okay? Enjoy. Thank you very much. Just keep training. Just keep going. Just do lots and lots and lots. Have fun.